Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by defining a strict allocation and risk framework for meme coins because they are high volatility and often short-lived. Allocate no more than 5% of your total portfolio to meme coins. Limit position risk to 1% to 2% of your portfolio per trade. Use a pre-declared sell plan with take profits at 25% and 50% and stop losses at 10%. Decide whether you are trading for swing gains or quick flips and treat meme coins as speculative, not core holdings. Before buying, verify on-chain indicators and market depth because liquidity kills slippage and exit friction. Only trade tokens with at least 0.00000 in 24-hour liquidity. Use limit orders when possible to control slippage. Beware rug pulls. Verify liquidity locks and team vesting schedules. Check contract renounces and multi-sig details, review token distribution and large holder concentration, and confirm active development or community signals so you can exit without being trapped by low liquidity or hidden token mechanics. Maintain disciplined controls on profits, losses, and compliance so meme coin trading does not derail long-term plans. Record every trade for taxes and track gains and losses. Convert gains to stable coins or cash at 20% to 50% milestones. Use automatic sell orders or alerts to capture gains and preserve capital. Never chase FOMO, set alerts and walk away if emotional. Rebalance monthly, cap total exposure, and treat meme coins as a high-risk allocation within a diversified portfolio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.